cauliflower and pumpkin warm salad. Prepare the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. Chop the cauliflower into florets. Place onto a baking tray with sage and salt. Cut the pumpkin into small cubes. Place onto a baking tray with sage and salt. Drizzle 1/4 cup of maple syrup over the pumpkin and toss well. Drain 1 can of Borlotti beans and place in a bowl. Place both trays into the oven and roast for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, place baby spinach leaves onto a large platter. Remove the pumpkin and cauliflower when golden brown. Place the cooked pumpkin onto the spinach leaves, then the Borlotti beans. Sprinkle cumin over the cauliflower and add the cauliflower to the salad. Top with more baby spinach leaves. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon over the salad and serve.